Before you start building your first CNC plasma machine, do learn as much as you can about the subject. I recommend thematic community groups. CNC plasmas are very specific machines. Following the design of other CNC machines can be disastrous. I have gathered some of the most important information for you. First, plasma arc generates very high interferences and high voltage, which is dangerous to life and health. It is very important to ground the machine structure properly and to ground the control part separately. Second, poor contact between the ground clamp and the material being cut may cause incorrect operation or damage to the control electronics. Third, thermal deformation of the material during cutting requires real-time control of the Z-axis in order to maintain a constant height of the torch above the material being cut. Fourth, high-quality cutting is possible only with appropriate cutting speed. Fifth, the lightweight structure of the gantry allows achieving high dynamics of work, but very high rigidity of the structure must be ensured to exclude vibration during the dynamic changes in direction. Sixth, use rack and pinion drive or belts to drive the XY axis. Standard screws significantly reduce the dynamics and speed of operation. Besides, very long screws sag, which makes them resonate at high speed. Of course, you can use them if you intend to cut only thick materials and accept significant limitation of maximum speed. Seventh, for stepper motors, the best machine performance is obtained when one motor revolution moves the XY axis in the range of 25 to 70 mm, 1 to 3 inches. Use mechanical reduction if needed. Eighth, the construction and commissioning of the first machine should be done in small steps. Test cutting is the last step of the commissioning process. If you do everything at once, it may be difficult to locate the problem. It is a very good idea to draw instead of cut during the commissioning and step-up stages. Ninth, if basic functions do not work properly in manual or simulation mode, there's no point in starting automatic cutting. 10th, choose a control system that's right for you. MyPlasm CNC is a specific system whose main idea is simplicity of connection, startup and operation. I encourage you to download the software and learn about its capabilities before making an important choice of control system of your needs. Useful links can be found in the description below the video.